Hi. So this is my very first video on this TikTok account, where I'm going to be doing techie stuff, I would say. At the moment I don't really have a lot of things. It's more of just a thing to pass my time, something I want to do because I'm bored. So I think my very first few TikToks, as I don't have a lot to show off just yet, will be based around this. A lot of you may be questioning what this is. Well, if you couldn't tell by its small form factor, this is the old Raspberry Pi 4 I've had for a good few years now, I would say. And I want to, on my very first TikTok, which should be really soon, I want to try and get the full version of Minecraft Java Edition running on this. I know that the Raspberry Pi has a built-in Minecraft version that comes with it, I'm pretty sure, called Minecraft Pi Edition, which is like a really cut down version of what Minecraft Pocket Edition used to be like when that first came out. Way back. So, yeah. If you guys would like to see that, comment, because I'd like to hear your feedback on it, and maybe even give me some more ideas on what you would like to see this little mini computer do. If it's running a certain operating system, if it's playing a certain game, if it's even possible, don't go with something stupid like Cyberpunk, because there's no chance. Unless you want to count cloud gaming, and we can have a look at the cloud gaming performance to see if maybe the Raspberry Pi 4 is still viable for an option for a little entertainment system, maybe. Try and do some emulation on it, maybe. I can maybe learn how to do it myself and then throw up a tutorial on how to do it. I can already tell that the first part of this video I'll be doing is going to be definitely cleaning this out. Ugh, got dusty, you can tell it's been in there for a while. So I'm going to clean that out. If you guys are remotely interested in this type of content, please let me know. Like I said, leave a like, comment. And once I gain a bit of feedback from you guys, I will definitely get on with the video. So, yes. Shall see you then.